name's Coleman McCormick. I'm here today to talk about the OpenStreetmap Tampa Bay user group, meetup group that I kind of started a couple months back. We had started to get together, me and a couple other people, you know, on and off. We had started trying to do this thing to contribute in an organized fashion to OpenStreetmap a couple of years ago, and it never really took off. So I just last month, or it was 2 months ago, I just decided to start it up again. So what do we do with the meetup group? We basically just get together once a month, every couple months, whenever we really want to, and just have like a roundtable session mapping party to, you know, edit the map, decide what we want to do, go out, collect data, or just sit around and talk about just mapping related technology and stuff. So there's tons of stuff in this database that is not on the map currently in OpenStreetmap in our community. There's, you know, buildings, transport data, bus routes, bike routes, all this stuff could be created that's not currently there now that would be useful. So here's a comparison of our town versus one that has an active community, Berlin, Germany. Nearly everything is on the map. Everything that is outdoors is on the map in Berlin. We could have the same thing. What if our map was able to look like that? So I want to pose the question, how do we get an awesome map? How do we actually go out there and do this, and what things are we missing to have data of that quality? And first and foremost, the foundation data for the transportation layer in OpenStreetmap comes from US Census Tiger data, which is a pretty big mess if you've ever looked at it. So a lot of this data is untouched, raw Tiger that needs to be corrected back to the imagery and actually properly labeled and whatnot. Points of interest, this is DC, where there's a pretty active community too. There's, you know, a lot of POIs on the map there. Here, hardly any. Essentially all of them were added by me here, so we need to add a lot more stuff there. That's the stuff people care about. Address information. That's nearly non-existent in the US, so that's important for routing and the, you know, getting to places and actually making OpenStreetmap a commercial tool for people to use to replace Google Maps. So how can you jump in and start participating? All you do is you go online on the OpenStreetmap website, create a free account. You can start contributing right away. This is an image just of my account there on OpenStreetmap. You can go in and browse other people's edits and changes and see what's, you know, see what's going on. You can friend each other, find people nearby that can help you map. I just wanted to mention a couple editing tools too. This is Potlatch, which is a Flash-based in-browser editor for OpenStreetmap. It's come a long way in the last couple of years. It's actually gotten a lot better, a lot more easy to use. There's also, if you want to get a little bit more power usery, there's JAWSOM, which is a Java, it's like a thick desktop client that lets you do a lot more. There's a lot of plugins and things you can customize to edit the things that you want to put on the map, depending on what you care about. And then there's a lot of other things to do, a lot of other initiatives in OpenStreetmap that I find interesting. And the primary one that I'm interested in is the Humanitarian OpenStreetmap team, which is a kind of effort of a bunch of the members of the OpenStreetmap community got together and started these more formalized projects to go and do humanitarian aid in support of NGOs and humanitarian missions all over the world. So they've done projects and actually gone to these places and trained people on how to edit the map and how to use OpenStreetmap to improve their quality of life and to help in aid missions over there. So Somalia, Haiti, Indonesia is pretty active right now, and Libya recently. And they actually built a tasking tool for certain activities that they're doing. So this is an example of, they got some digital globe imagery from the Congo, and we're going to go in and actually edit road data in there. So this is a snapshot of the website. I just put up a website with where there's information about the meetup group and OpenStreetmap in general. There's the URL up there. And then just to close out, I got the slide with there's a Twitter account, there's the meetup group link to come and join the meetup group, and you'll get updates about when we're doing meetups and whatnot. Thank you.